Hey guys, and welcome to another video where today I am playing Ragdoll Shotgun on Roblox. Oi! Everybody get just play. Blah, blah, blah.
I don't know.
So much money I lost. So much money lost.
Right next to this one.
What is that?
Giant neck that only moves.
Nothing else.
What's in it?
Oh, like some seat.
Here, kill a drool.
Whee!
Yes, that
Is it pew pew gun?
I'm like sticking.
Can I make the tanks go?
No.
Ah! Oh boy.
Whoa! Awesome.
Barely survived that.
Can we kill regular people too? Or
Yes.
should we not?
You can. Ah! Come on.
It's okay,
Bang, bang.
They don't do anything.
Okay, so my mom, I think I should play a different game. We'll see you in a bit. So, we are currently playing this. Crawl, shift, interact, E, swing.
This is amazing.
Click, 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 click. I can't do anything. Click, 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 click. It's not swinging. Click,
Swing
click, click.
is when you're the beast to swing your hammer.
Oh,
You're not.
abandoned prison. Y'all.
Yes.
I choose abandoned.
Yo.
Come on. My mouse is like,
Yeah, y'all need to stop destroying it.
ooh.
Yeah, the crystal cave was cool.
Wait, what are you supposed to do in
You're a
Survivor?
Hide from the
Act
beast. So
abuse?
shift is to lay down.
Shift
or
is to
crawl.
crawl.
Yeah, crawl.
That don't look good. I don't like that.
Um,
Where are the computers? I need a computer.
no. The beast will smack you with a hammer, drag you with a rope to there. Now, hack, hack, hack.
It doesn't take as long when there are more people smacking the brick pads.
I'm still trying to get in.
E, smack, 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 smack,
Now
smack,
there's that
smack.
symbol above you, so the beast knows you're there. It'll come to kill you.
No, you have to do different computers.
Oh, dang it! Dang it! I am like stuck. I was captured! Dang it. Yay.
You're the dinner for his baby.
No. I am dying. Yes, I Fred.
Oh, somebody fed you. That's why.
No, go back to the computer.
No!
There are 5 different
There's a
computers.
freaking... Oh, there's the beast.
Oh, he saw you run.
He can run if he has that pack.
Crawl.
Da-na-na-na.
Oh,
Da-na-na-na-na-na.
good, he's distracted.
Oh, come on!
Oh, is that him?
Yes.
That is the beast!
Oh, you were so freaking lucky he didn't see you.
Nope.
When you crawl, can they see your symbol?
No. They can't see you unless they know. Unless you're like hacking a computer or stuff. Boy, I hate that. Boy.
Oh,
Was
Billy
that
Fart.
all raised
Isn't
there?
that the beast right there? Isn't that the symbol for the beast?
No, that symbol means captured person.
Ah.
Hack the
Hack on
computer!
Go help.
Hacking. I must help hack. Oh, Billy Fart. Schmackings. Schmackings. Schmackings.
Now
Boing.
go release the other person. Jump down and release the other person. Jump down.
Bing. Oh, this
Look around
is
the
so
corner.
terrifying.
Go.
No one. And no one. How scared I was. Hey, are you going to play or no? Free!
Oh, yeah. All right.
Hey, computer!
As long as there's two of us there. Hey, dude, 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 help me, dude, 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 ah, no, don't get him, help me, dude, help me.
Computer progress is going up.
I guess I'm still hacking it?
This is awesome.
Old Billy Fart.
You're in Crystal Cove, right?
No,
So
I'm
you're
not
gonna
in
die
Crystal Cave.
soon.
What are you?
So tell everyone your farewells.
Well, yeah.
Bye.
I am frozen. Wait, what does frozen mean?
You can't get out.
Where are
You're
you?
dead.
I failed to flee the facility. I am here. Hello. I am Baymax. Your personal health care. Dude.
Your personal Baymax company.
Stay, the computer moved.
Da na 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 na.
Dude, Hammer Girl's right behind me.
But you weren't in the same server.
What are you supposed to do in Crystal Cave?
I don't know.
Hammer Girl's right behind me. What am I supposed to do?
Da na 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 na.
Keep running and distracting her from everybody else. Sounds good, right?
Abandoned prison. Old Billy Fart was.
No, this is a bad idea.
Old Billy Fart was frozen. Menu.
Dang it, she got me. Where are you, Sam?
We aren't in
Different
the same
server.
server.
Why don't you leave that server and join Mommy's?
Right.
That is some
Actually,
creepy
wait.
noises.
Mommy, join Tim's server.
You should turn on the volume though,
He's
so
on
you
the
can hear
intermission.
the
He's on the intermission.
No.
Oh, come on. He's on the intermission.
I'm in intermission.
Yeah, so the game would happen quicker. Pascal, enter. And then servers. Join. Oh no, there are
Crawl.
5 people.
Interact
6.
No, 5 of 5.
and
What?
swing.
Are you the monster?
Mm-mm.
Why you got a hammer?
Because you always have a hammer. I'm on top of the tree. Watch me. Oh, dang it. Dun, 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 dun. Yay, I'm a survivor. So, what do I do?
You go to the same.
Who is that? Is that the beast?
No.
Who's the beast?
The beast would have a hammer.
If you turn on the volume, you'll hear dum 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 before the beast comes in.
I know.
Watch the new episode of Steven Universe.
Yeah.
We got just about the right amount of time to do it.
So we
Well-
watch Steven Universe. This is actually a fun game.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Who said it wasn't?
I didn't want to play it. Woo, let's look for some computer.
Look, there's
Where's a computer? That's. Oh, look, computer.
one. You know what that means?
I'm smacking a computer brick board. Oh, dang it. Dang it. Now I have to run away from it.
Yes. Just run away. Did you see where it is?
Oh my goodness! He isn't moving! It's like, boy, you ain't do nothing! You ain't do nothing!
Worst beast ever. Go find another PC. No, we've already done that one.
That dude ain't do nothing. Yeah. Where's the next E thing?
What are you saying? Escape?
Once this round is over, the video's going to end. Dang it! It's going to end. The video's going to end. Okay, I need a computer. Show me a magical computer wherever I can find one. And I should just turn right around.
No, hack to escape and avoid being killed by the beast.
What's the beast?
It's just another player with a horrible hammer thing.
Watch out for the E thing.
And listen for the.
Yos.
Rapido!
Okay, we're almost. Da-na-na-na. Yos. We has done that one. Here,
Wrong
like,
way, dude, Tim.
boy. The beast do nothing. Look at that beast. He ain't do nothing. That beast no do anything. And it's like you can walk as near him as you
Go
want.
through the other way then.
What? There ain't no other way through.
Make sure there's nothing else.
Nothing here. Let's go look for another computer.
You just passed one.
Hey, what about Steven Universe?
Okay, so
Tim,
I think I've already. Well, guys, this is going to be the end of my video. So I can subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.